National Hunger and Homelessness Awareness Week begins November 15th. Here to talk with us are Chris Brown and Noah Rattler, co-founders of Houston Sleep Out. Welcome to the show, guys.
Thank you. Thanks.
So tell me a little bit about Search Homeless Service and the Young Ambassadors Group and how you guys became involved.
Well, Michael, the Search Homeless Services is the leading service provider here in Houston, Texas. They service over 10,000 men, women, and children annually that are suffering from homelessness here in the greater Houston area.
I definitely know that as any of us drive around anywhere really throughout the greater Houston area, you see a lot of homelessness. So obviously there's a need for an organization like yourself. So what is it that you guys do for the homeless folks that are out there?
Well, we're part of the Young Ambassadors Group. That's the young professionals group that's involved with Search Homeless Services. Noah and I together co-founded the Houston Sleep Out, which is an annual event that the Young Professionals Group, the Young Ambassadors Group of Search, actually hosts each year in Houston. And it's basically designed to raise awareness and funds that basically go to Search that combat the issue of homelessness in Houston.
So with it being the National Awareness Week next month, how does homelessness and hunger affect folks throughout the greater Houston area?
Well, like you said earlier, if you drive through town, you see individuals who are homeless.
Sure.
But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are over 10,000 people who are homeless every night, on any given night, in the city of Houston. And the number is even larger for those who go hungry. So it's a large issue. It affects a lot of our neighbors, children in school. You can't tell often if someone is hungry or homeless. So it's a big issue that affects a lot of us, and it's important that we think it's important to raise awareness about it and get people involved, get people educated so they can get out and make a contribution if they're so willing. And we find that people are willing once they find out about it.
Well, I think it's awesome you guys are part of this. Seem like pretty young guys. How did you guys become involved?
Noah he was the catalyst behind this whole project. So
I started volunteering at Search in 2005, just trying to learn more about homelessness, and I got a really good education on it there, doing the mobile outreach, going out to the community, taking food and blankets and stuff out to the homeless. In 2007, I decided to walk from Houston to Los Angeles to raise awareness for homelessness and make it a national thing, because this is something that not only affects Houston, it affects every small and large town in the country. So after that, as a way to bring that momentum forward and carry on, I thought of bringing the Houston Sleep Out to Houston, because I witnessed someone preparing to do it while I was on the walk. Okay. And I wound up talking to Chris about it one day, and he thought it was a good idea. We had a couple of meetings about it between each other, and then after that we went and took it to Search and Young Ambassadors, and kind of the rest is history so far.
That's great. And I know we talked about a little bit earlier with the Sleep Out. Now, is that that's coming up? It's going to kick off the National Awareness Week.
Yes.
Coming up next month. Tell us a little bit about the Sleep Out. What's that all about?
Well, the Sleep Out is an overnight fundraiser designed to raise funds and awareness for the homeless here in Houston. It's a real simple concept. We ask people through our website at www.sleepout.org to go up and sign up as an individual or a team and raise funds and get a team of people that will actually come and spend the night out in Susquecentennial Park in downtown Houston. So the whole idea is to get large groups of people to raise awareness, and then through that they raise funds for the homeless here in Houston.
Perfect. So what is the date on the Sleep
It
Out
is
again?
Saturday, November 14th, and it runs overnight, so basically starts at 5 o'clock. And then runs until 10 o'clock the next morning, Sunday, November 16th.
And again, it's going to be at Sesquicentennial Park?
Correct. If you're interested in participating or signing up, go to www.sleepout.org.
That's great. Well, thanks for being here, guys.
Thanks, Michael.
If you know a newsmaker, we want to hear from you. Send us an email at Houston_newsmakers@cable.comcast.com. I'm Michael Bybee. Thank you for joining us.